Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our fourth Arabic lesson. In this class, we will learn some new words and phrases, focusing this time on questions that you can use in everyday conversations. Questions are essential for communication, so let's dive in and expand our Arabic dictionary further. As always, feel free to repeat after me and practice your pronunciation. And try to memorize the words and phrases because you're going to need to use them later. Let's get started. How to say I read in Arabic. In Arabic, we say أقرأ أقرأ أقرأ. We can also say أنا as I and then أقرأ. It's okay to say أقرأ or أنا أقرأ, but it's better to say أنا أقرأ. Good. Now how to say to read. We said earlier or in the previous lessons that to express a purpose, meaning we say to, then the verb, we always use in Arabic أن as to أقرأ أن أقرأ أن أقرأ. Now how to say fast or quickly. We say in Arabic بسرعة 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 fast بسرعة. Practice it until you get it right. بسرعة. Good. Now how to say I can read fast. I know that here there is a new word that maybe you haven't seen before, which is can. Can in Arabic is يمكنني. You can say أنا يمكنني as I can يمكنني, but it's better to say يمكنني directly to make it lighter. يمكنني, I can يمكنني. And then أن أقرأ بسرعة بسرعة, or you can add تن بسرعة. So we get يمكنني أن أقرأ بسرعة. يمكنني أن أقرأ بسرعة. Perfect. Now how to say can I read quickly? Now here we have a question. To express a question, we always add هل. هل. It's not an always thing, but mainly we use هل. هل يمكنني أن أتعلم. We already know أتعلم and أتكلم. Learn is أتعلم, أتكلم is speak. بسرعة بسرعة. Usually in a yes-no question, we always have هل. So هل as can. يمكنني can I. هل يمكنني can I أن أتعلم بسرعة. Quickly بسرعة. Now how to say can I read? Just can I read? Can you find the answer to this? Sorry. Yeah. هل يمكنني أن أقرأ? We just remove the بسرعة, meaning fast. We just remove the fast or quickly. هل يمكنني أن أقرأ. Good. Now how to say can I read Arabic quickly? We already know how to say can I read. We also know how to say Arabic. And we know how to say quickly. All we do is combine the words. And we get هل يمكنني أن أقرأ العربية بسرعة. Let's do it slowly and word by word. هل يمكنني أن أقرأ العربية. We've already seen this one. العربية, Arabic. بسرعة. One more time. هل يمكنني أن أقرأ العربية بسرعة؟ Now how to say I walk? I walk in Arabic is so cute. We say أنا أمشي. أنا as I أمشي. أمشي. So we get أنا أمشي. How to say to walk? To walk. To walk is أن أمشي. أن أمشي. This one was obvious. أن أمشي. Perfect. Now how to say I can walk? Normally you know how to form this sentence. I will leave you some time to think. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna give you the answer. It's يمكنني أن أمشي. يمكنني I can. أن أمشي. أن أمشي I can walk. So to express I can and then the verb, we always say يمكنني أن. I can do this. It still has a similar context to a purpose, but it's not totally a purpose, if you know what I mean. يمكنني أن أمشي. And how to say right now or now? Now or right now in Arabic is الآن. الآن. You have al and then an. Not الآن. الآن. New sentence here. I can walk now. I can walk now. Easy. Okay. يمكنني أن أمشي الآن. يمكنني I can أن أمشي walk الآن. يمكنني أن I can أمشي walk الآن now or right now. And how to say quickly? We've already seen this one in the beginning of this video. Quickly is بسرعة. بسرعة. This is just a quick reminder. بسرعة. Good. Now how to say I can walk fast. I can walk fast. Walk is the verb that we said is cute. I can walk fast is يمكنني أن أمشي بسرعة. يمكنني I can and add of course أن. يمكنني أن I can أمشي walk بسرعة. بسرعة fast or quickly. يمكنني أن أمشي بسرعة. You're starting to get better and better. Now how to say I can't? I can't. I'm sure you're thinking of two options if you've seen our previous videos and you memorized the words well. You're thinking of the لا and you're thinking of لست. لا or لست? Think. It's لا يمكنني. لا يمكنني. I can't. لا يمكنني. لا يمكنني. Good. Now how to say to walk? To walk. This is just a reminder. To walk is أن أمشي. أن أمشي. To walk أن أمشي. Now how to say I can't walk? We say لا يمكنني أن أمشي. لا يمكنني. لا يمكنني أن. I can't. لا يمكنني أن أمشي. Walk. أمشي. لا يمكنني أن أمشي. How to say now? الآن. Perfect. Good job. الآن. New sentence here. I can't walk now. I can't walk now. We will try to say it at the same time, okay? 1, 2, 3. لا يمكنني أن أمشي الآن. Did you get this right? I really hope you did. لا as no, meaning the negative form of يمكنني or later form of a sentence. يمكنني أن I can't. لا يمكنني أن I can't. أمشي walk الآن now or right now الآن. لا يمكنني أن أمشي الآن. How to say I work? We say أنا as I and then new verb أعمل 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 أنا أعمل أنا أعمل. And how to say here? Here هنا هنا هنا. And how to say I work here? 1, 2, 3, combine the words. When we get أنا أعمل هنا أنا أعمل هنا أنا أعمل هنا. I work here. And how to say to work? 1, 2, 3 أن أعمل أن أعمل أن أعمل. And how to say I can work here? يمكنني أن أعمل here هنا. يمكنني أن I can أعمل work هنا here. See, we have the same sound. يمكنني أن I can. Always remember it this way. I can يمكنني أن يمكنني أن. Okay. How to say I can't work here? I can't work here. لا. Okay. I'm trying to help you before I can move on to the next slide. لا. And then can't is يمكنني. Okay. لا يمكنني أن أعمل هنا. لا. I can't or I يمكنني can't and same thing can't أعمل work here هنا. لا يمكنني أن which is I can't work أعمل هنا here. لا يمكنني أن أعمل هنا. Now how to say I can't work here but we add to it anymore. Anymore is بعد الآن. So we get لا يمكنني أن as I can't. أعمل is work. هنا is here. And then بعد الآن is anymore. لا يمكنني أن أعمل هنا بعد الآن. لا يمكنني أن I can't أعمل work هنا here بعد الآن anymore بعد الآن. And how to say I have been working here for a long time. In the previous video we've seen how to say for a long time. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to say it because I think you have already forgotten about it because there is a lot of information in each video. So we say أنا أعمل هنا منذ زمن طويل. أنا as I أعمل have been working هنا here منذ for a long time which is زمن طويل. أنا أعمل هنا منذ زمن طويل. أنا أعمل هنا منذ زمن طويل. أنا أعمل هنا منذ زمن طويل. Perfect. You have completed this lesson. I hope it was light. I hope it was easy for you. Today we've added some important question words and phrases to our Arabic vocabulary. Questions are a key part of communication, so practicing them is crucial. Keep practicing these new words and phrases and don't be afraid to use them in your conversations. Your progress is impressive and I look forward to our next lesson together. Before leaving, I'm going to leave you a small quiz. How to say in Arabic, I can't live here anymore. Try to leave the answer as a comment, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.